I added a few other ingredients to the tofu I made the other day and made myself the yummiest lunch yesterday. I used golden penny couscous, added butter, salt, and covered with the right amount of hot water, not too much and no cooking required. The couscous will soak up all that water, so I'll leave it alone and stir fry veggies with some sesame oil. When I told my sister about this couscous recipe, she said, will we eat it? She's not eating, no. She was just talking plenty. So I decided to make for my mouth alone. My children don't like it, and my darling husband, who by the way I'm planning to give an award for eating everything I cook, was not around, so I further cut the tofu into bite sizes and added to the vegetables. By this time, the couscous had soaked up all the water, so I fluffed with a fork and added to the veggies. But let me tell you, once I finished and got her to have a taste, she packed everything left in the pan, nodding her head and saying, this is good. If you be trying this recipe, please don't skip the crushed peanuts. It's a game changer. I enjoyed this a lot and will be making more, especially for my husband who didn't get to eat from this. You should try it. Thank you for watching, everyone.